Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Steam 0 bytes download. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. You just need to expand the disk drives. Now you just need to find the drive where the Steam is installed. To know that you just need to open up File Explorer. You just need to find the drive where is Steam installed. This is 500 GB as you can see 500 GB and this is 120 GB and I installed in 500 GB. To check that you just need to go to C drive, program files x86 and here you can able to see the Steam. After knowing that in my case 500 GB drive Steam installed, after knowing that just right click on the drive and select properties, select policies tab and uncheck enable write caching on the device and select OK and just close stuff here. Now it will never go to 0 bytes in Steam download guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.